The one who lives in the shelter of the Most High, who rests in the shadow of the Almighty, will say to the Lord, "You are my refuge, my fortress, and my God in whom I trust." He will surely deliver you from the hunter's snare, from the destructive plague. With his feathers he will cover you. Under his wings you will find safety. His truth is your shield and armor. You need not fear terror that stalks in the night, the arrow that flies in the day, plague that strikes in the darkness, or calamity that destroys at noon. If 1,000 fall at your side, or 10,000 at your right hand, it will not overcome you. Only observe it with your eyes, and you will see how the wicked are paid back. Lord, you are my refuge. Because you chose the Most High as your dwelling place, no evil will fall upon you, and no affliction will approach your tent. For he will command his angels to protect you in all your ways. With their hands they will lift you up, so you will not trip over a stone. You will stomp on lions and snakes. You will trample young lions and serpents. Because he has focused his love on me, I will deliver him. I will protect him because he knows my name. When he calls out to me, I will answer him. I will be with him in his distress. I will deliver him and I will honor him. I will satisfy him with long life. I will show him my deliverance. Amen.